All right, so let's get into this video. So as you know by title, we're gonna do that viral technique where you set your face first and then you do your foundation, which is usually the opposite of what you do. It's been going around TikTok lately, but personally I saw it first with Jackie Aina, but you know, that's just me. I just want to shout her out because I love her. But let me look up that TikTok. So my skin, I feel like I get between, like, I feel like I have combination skin. I feel like my face can be really dry, but then it also can be really oily, so we're just gonna have to see. Also in the video she does put on a primer. I don't use primer, so I'm gonna have to skip that step, but I think it'll be okay. Okay, so the first step she does in her video is moisturize. I'm actually gonna use the e.l.f. Super Hydrating Moisturizer. It has squalene, I believe. I don't know if it'll focus. Is that focused? I feel like that's focused. But that's basically what it looks like. So we're just gonna go into it. Also, I also will be doing a skincare routine soon, so if you want to see that will be going up soon. And I love how I'm telling you this while I have a big ass pimple on my face, but I mean, we all get pimples regardless if we have a skincare routine or not, so yeah. But anyways, I really do like this moisturizer. Highly recommend, just in case. And I think it was like $6. Don't quote me on that, but it's cheap, it's affordable, so highly recommend. Okay, so now is for the scary part. Well, I guess one of the first scary parts, because I'm gonna go in with a powder. I'm gonna go with the original RCMA powder, if it would focus. Just a white translucent powder. I think, I don't know, I go back and forth. Like sometimes I like it, but sometimes I don't. I think it's okay. Not the best, but not the worst. So she does say to only use, like, you know, don't be going ham. So I am just gonna do a light layer. Okay, so that looks good to me. After that, I believe she says to go in with a setting spray. I use the Florence by Mills setting spray. I also really like this. Highly recommend. I love the color. I love this like lilac. I love this like lilac color. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. Makes me happy. So I'm just gonna spray it on. Are you guys excited that it's like getting warmer? I am so excited that the sun is coming out and here to stay. I do not thrive in the winter. It's just like not my vibe. I'm a summer baby, okay? I was born in the summer. Born July 22nd, Cancer life. Okay, so that's pretty dry. So basically the next step she would do would be the primer, but like I said, I don't use primer, so I don't have one, so I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Caramel. And I'm just gonna go in with a flat brush just because I'm too lazy to wash my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go ham. Oh, I've been wanting to use this technique for a while, but I just, you know, I don't know, I guess I just always forget about it. So far though, I just did my cheek right here. I just did my cheek right here and it looks pretty good. I mean, maybe like this does work. But yeah, how's y'all spring break going? I don't really have a spring break anymore because I'm not in school, but how is it? I feel like the weather's been pretty good so far. Well, at least in Texas, it's been pretty good. Hopefully it will stay like that, because I feel like me and my sister were talking about this and we feel like it always rains during spring break, and like that is no fun. Okay, first impressions. I kind of feel like it does look really good, honestly. It looks smooth. I feel like it looks like normal. Like, I don't know if I just want it to look good, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know how like you, like since you have this idea in your head, you kind of make it true. I'm just gonna do my under eyes now. And then I'm gonna, oh, and I use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop as well in the shade Caramel as well. I'm also gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is what it looks like in the shade Creamy Beige, just to add some highlight to my face, since the concealer is pretty much the shade of my foundation. Anyways, so now we're just gonna go. Okay, so I feel like you can't, I feel like I can barely see my eyes. Okay, anyways, I think the hack actually works, guys. My face, I feel like it does look really smooth, and I think I don't know if this is like the point of it, but I feel like I have more coverage, and I don't know if that's because there's something to hold on to, like the powder, it has something other than my skin, like it's holding onto the powder. From what I can tell on the camera, I feel like I do look very smooth and like full coverage, but not too full coverage. I don't know, you guys, I think this hack actually works. So I feel like this hack might actually not even be a hack, it might be like legit. Oh, you know what I just thought of? Okay, so I don't know if you're supposed to set your foundation again. Okay, so I'm not sure if you're supposed to set your foundation again afterwards, but I'm gonna set my under eyes because I need to, or else my concealer's not gonna stay. So I am gonna do a light layer, just like a very light layer, but other than that, I don't know. So I'm gonna do that really quick and then we'll talk some more. Oh my gosh, that was too much. Okay guys, so I think this really actually works. I feel like on the camera my face looks really smooth, in person it looks smooth. I feel like I have like an even tone of foundation, but without it, it doesn't look cakey though. It looks like, I mean, obviously you know I have makeup on, but it looks normal. I mean, the only thing I can think of is how it wears throughout the day. Maybe that doesn't go so well, but like initially I feel like it applies really well. So I don't know, girl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, probably do my hair, and then I'll come back and then we'll talk final thoughts. Bye. Okay, hey guys, I am back. What do you guys think? I did my hair, I put on some lashes. Can I say I freaking love these lashes? If you're wondering, they are the 3 Silk Cherry Blossom number 910. I got them like at a beauty shop. Super cute. Anyways, I think this hack actually really works well. I feel like my skin is so smooth. I feel like other than the smoothness, I feel like, can I say stop saying, I feel like it gives more coverage than usual. So maybe if you have a hard time building up coverage without making it cakey, I think you should try this. I don't know, you guys, unless it's gonna start wearing bad. I feel like it looks so good. I feel like I'm gonna start doing this, honestly. Like, it looks really good now that I have all my makeup up all my makeup done. And I'm gonna try to zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this is like my side profile. I don't know how the camera's gonna pick it up, but I feel like it looks pretty smooth. Got my highlighter. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think like it's like, I feel like it looks pretty dang good. Let me zoom it out because that's a little, yeah, I feel like it looks really good. So I guess this hack actually really works. I would recommend it. And yeah, if you end up doing it, please comment back, because I want to know if it works for y'all or not. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Or just like it. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me at Picking Daisy on Instagram, Twitter, and I think Snapchat, but I don't use Snapchat, so. But definitely follow me on Twitter and Insta. And yeah, I don't know, I'm excited. I haven't felt this cute in a while, so I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.